Today let's see basics of JSON using jQuery. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data interchange format and it's more efficient at transferring data than XML. So let's see some of the basics of JSON, how we declare and initialize the objects and arrays, and how we access the objects and arrays. Also, we shall see how to nest object inside an object and then access it. We have a basic HTML here. I'll just take an ordered list here. Using jQuery, I'll fill the li elements. This can even be done with raw JavaScript. Since we are showing this inside our jQuery tutorial, so I'll still be using jQuery, the basics, nothing fancy stuffs here. So once the document is loaded and ready, I'll declare one object. I'll call it variable v1. It's an object basically. Inside these curly braces, we write the key and its value. Name is the key, colon, Satish is its value. Age is a key, 25 is its value. Integer numbers or else the numbers need not be inside double quotes. String values should be inside double quotes. And at the end there should be a semicolon. So now let's see how to access the elements of this object v1, JSON object v1. I'll select the unordered list, append the list item, and then concatenate my name to it. Plus is a concatenation symbol, as we already have seen it in jQuery tutorial. The object name v1 dot the key name, that is name, that would fetch my name, that is Satish. Let's look at it on our browser. Okay, now let's see. Similarly, to fetch age, we need to specify the object name dot the key name, that is age. That would fetch my age 25. So now I'll create another object here, or call it v2. This is the information of another person. Works in a company called Oracle. Similarly, now to access the age of the name of second person, the object name v2 dot name, that would fetch his name. Now I'll take another object called obj. Now inside this I'll store these two objects. I'll call it object 1 v1, object 2 is the key, v2 is its value. So here I am storing an object inside another object. Basically we are storing two objects inside an object called obj. Now to access the value of these elements, first write the object name dot its key, which has the value of v2, then its key, the name, that would fetch Satish again. So let's see. Okay, we are fetching the elements of an object which is present inside another object. I'll take another object and store arrays inside it. Let the key name be companies, colon, inside the brackets write its values, that is Write the names Microsoft. Remember the index starts from 0, that is companies of 0 is Microsoft, companies of 1 is Apple, companies of 2 is Google, companies of 3 is Oracle. Now let's fetch it. Object name is v3 dot, the key is companies, PANIES. Inside the bracket write the index number. 0 would fetch Microsoft. Yeah, that's working. So 1 would fetch Apple, 2 would fetch Google, 3 would fetch Oracle. We could even cut this and paste inside it here. So the object obj would contain object 1, object 2 and an array called companies. So a JSON object, value of JSON can be a string, numbers, arrays, objects, boolean values, or even a null value. So by looking at this, we could know that it's easy for humans to read and write, easy for the machines to parse and generate. That's what makes it perfect for structuring and transferring data. Remember, it's more efficient than XML, that is extensible markup language. JSON, JavaScript object notation, is lightweight data interchange format, and it's efficient than XML. So with this basic tutorial, I'll be winding up today's class. Please visit tomorrow. Keep subscribed to our blog technotip.com. We'll be getting this further and see how to fetch database items using JSON, or else how to output database values as JSON data and then fetch into our PHP or an HTML file. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Please subscribe to our blog technotip.com and also to our YouTube channel, and please like this on YouTube.